Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some Cowboy smash burgers on the Weber kettle with the slow and sear. But I'm going to do up the burgers, the smash burgers, on a griddle over the gasser. We're doing up Cowboy smash burgers. And what we're doing, we're going to slice up some Vidalia onions. We're going to wrap each ring in bacon. We're going to cook it on this Weber kettle with slow and sear indirect, so you get a nice crunch on those onion rings. And then we're going to top that on the smash burger with some Texas Bold barbecue sauce. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, it's winter here in central New York, but it's over 50 degrees in the shanty, thanks to this guy. One of those propane gimmicks that kick out a lot of heat actually. It's on low. And it's warm in here. I'm in a t-shirt, hat. It's 30 degrees outside. In the shanty, it is 46. It feels a lot hotter than that with this Weber on and that. And then once the gas grill's rolling, bottoms up. Let's get this smash burger, Cowboy smash burger, put together. Wow. Cowboy smash burgers. folks. Okay, smash burgers are on. We got some onions, mushrooms, green peppers. Everything's rolling. More burgers ready to roll. Oh, let's check those onion rings. Come on. Over here in the Weber. Oh, yeah. Those will be done in about 15 minutes or so. We want some extra crispy onion rings for our Cowboy burgers. Hell yeah. Cowboy smash burgers. These are rocking. Let's get the next batch on. I think I fit more than just two. But like I said, that griddle's too small. Let's unplug the fan. Loud. Cowboy burger. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get some barbecue sauce on this guy. Boom. Smells freaking amazing. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, folks. Cowboy smash burger. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get a bite of this monster. Hell yeah. Cowboy smash burgers. You betcha. Look at that thing. That's the way to do it, boy. Oh yeah. That onion, Vidalia onion wrapped in bacon, slow smoked, 300 degrees for an hour and 25 minutes or so it was. That's rocking. Boom. Wow. Cowboy smash burgers, do it. This is awesome. I think it's, seriously, that bacon wrapped Vidalia onion, phenomenal, folks. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need a little bit of a napkin. Wow. That is fantastic. So, folks, great day. Decent in here in the shanty. It got up to 56 degrees in here. It's 30 degrees outside, maybe less now. Bottoms up. Yep. I hear the dogs in the house barking. They must want some of these onion rings. Anyway, it's a great way to do onion rings if you've never done it like that before. I'm going to try that in a few different recipes coming up later on this year. Hell yeah. Awesome. They're great. It's like doing a jalapeno popper. You wrap it in bacon. Oh, smoking. So try that out, folks. Easy to do. Just takes a little bit of time. A little bit of time. That's it. About 20 minutes to prep. Put them on and just hang out. Drink a couple beers. Why not? So, folks, hit that like button. smash the subscribe button because I don't have that many subscribers. I need more likes, more viewers. Come on. It's barbecue. It's awesome. Cheers.